With hurricane season upon us, now's the perfect time to begin organizing your hurricane preparedness kit.
Last year, Houston saw the effects of torrential rainfall and flooding from a hurricane firsthand, with Hurricane Harvey devastating the region. The remnants of Harvey dumped 27 trillion gallons of water over the Houston area, and some areas received more than 50 inches of rain, with damages totaling over $125 billion and the death toll over 100. It's no question people become worried when they hear of a storm brewing in the Atlantic Ocean or Gulf of Mexico. However, you can ease some of these worries by being prepared. First, it's important to stay up to date. Monitor Fox 26 on air and online throughout hurricane season for continuous updates on the tropics. Determine safe evacuation routes and locations of official shelters, especially if you live in a coastal or flood-prone community. Discuss your plans with neighbors and family. Next, make sure you're stocked up on all of the supplies in your kit. Enough food and water for at least 3 days, and necessary kitchen accessories. A first aid kit and prescription medications. Hygiene items. Flashlights with extra batteries. Portable power banks to charge cell phones and electronic devices. Extra clothing and sleeping items. Make sure you have all of your important social, government, and insurance documents organized. Store all of these documents in a waterproof, transportable bag. You can also keep digital copies of these items on a flash drive or an online cloud service. Having all of these items in place is crucial because if authorities issue evacuation orders, you'll want to leave as soon as possible after finishing other preparedness tasks. After the storm, stay connected with Fox 26 for updates. Wait until authorities announce your community is safe to return to. Upon returning, do not enter flooded or damaged areas. Assess your home for damage, including gas and electrical lines. Take necessary photos for insurance. Avoid using tap water until officials confirm it is safe to use. Use generators with extreme caution.
With the effects of Harvey still lingering in the minds of many, it is important to remain aware and ready for any tropical impacts in the Houston area. With proper preparedness and planning, some of these impacts on you and your family can be minimized. Keeping you prepared this hurricane season, Jacob Hale, Fox 26 News.